Accu-Tell ToRCH IgG IgM Combo Cassette, Whole Blood Serum Plasma. Test procedure. Remove the test cassette from the sealed pouch and use it within 1 hour. Place the cassette on a clean and level surface. For serum or plasma specimen, hold the dropper vertically and transfer 1 drop of serum or plasma to the specimen area. Then add 2 drops of buffer and start the timer. For venipuncture whole blood specimen, hold the dropper vertically and transfer 2 drops of whole blood to the specimen area. Then add 2 drops of buffer and start the timer. Wait for the colored lines to appear. Read results at 10 minutes. Do not interpret the result after 20 minutes. Interpretation of results. Positive, for each testing item, 1 colored line appears in the control region and another colored line appears in the test region. Negative, 1 colored line appears in the control line region, C, of every section. No line appears in IgG and IgM test line region, G and M. Invalid. Control line fails to appear in any section.